Welcome to italki's Teacher Tip series. I'm Tom and I teach French on italki.com. In this video, I'm going to show you two incredibly simple ways to use the future tense in French. In the last video, I've shown you how to use passé composé with the 5 most frequent verbs. In this video, you will learn how to use future tense with any verb. In this video, I will not cover all the ways to use future tense. Instead, I'm going to show you the two simple techniques you can use most of the time to hack your way in a conversation in French. Technique number 1. Use present tense to talk about the future. You can do that in English. For example, if you want to say, I will be at work tomorrow, you can say, I'm at work tomorrow. And in French, it's the same. Je suis au travail demain. I am, je suis, au travail, at work, demain, tomorrow. It's that simple. This trick works well for close future. So make sure you use an adverb or complement indicating the time when you're using this structure. Another example, je visite la France cet été. I visit France this summer. I will visit France this summer. So you see, you can express future tense with present tense. Just make sure you use something that will indicate it's the future. Technique number 2. Use aller. The verb aller, to go, translates like going to or will in English. You can use it before any verb without changing the conjugation of the verb. And it expresses future tense. For example, je vais commencer. I will start. Je vais commencer. I will start. Je vais aller en France cet été. I will go to France this summer. Tu vas faire quoi l'année prochaine? What will you do next year? Tu vas faire quoi? What? L'année prochaine. Next year. What will you do next year? On va déménager en Suisse. We are going to move to Switzerland. Note that this trick sounds quite wrong if you want to talk about uncertain or distant future. In these cases, you might want to use futur simple, but that's not the point of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the italki's YouTube channel if you want more tips on how to learn French. If you want to be able to hold fluent conversations in French, please consider taking a lesson with me. The link is in the description. I see you in the next video. À bientôt!